Creating email campaigns in Salesflare is simpler than you might think, and if you stick with me until the end, I'll show you how to set up powerful campaigns in no time. Stick around because you'll also get an exclusive offer to try out Salesflare with a special extended free trial, so you can dive in right away. Now, if you're new to Salesflare, it's a CRM tool that helps automate and streamline your sales process, including creating email campaigns. The great thing is that you don't need to be an email marketing expert to get great results with Salesflare. Let's start with the basics and walk through how to set up an email campaign that works. To create your first email campaign, start by logging into your Salesflare account. Once you're in, head to the campaign section from the main dashboard. Here, you'll see an option to create a new campaign. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to give your campaign a name. This is important because it helps you stay organized, especially if you're running multiple campaigns. After naming your campaign, it's time to build your email list. Salesflare makes this easy by allowing you to import contacts from your CRM directly into your campaign. You can segment your audience based on different filters like location, purchase history, or engagement. The key to a successful email campaign is sending the right message to the right people, and segmentation lets you do that. Next, it's time to create the email itself. Salesflare offers an intuitive drag and drop email editor that lets you design emails without any coding knowledge. You can add personalized elements like the recipient's first name to make the email feel more tailored. A personalized subject line can increase your open rates, so take the time to make it attention-grabbing and relevant to your audience. Salesflare also has a series of email templates you can choose from, or you can start from scratch. If you're new to email campaigns, the templates are a great starting point. They cover a variety of purposes, from introductory emails to follow-ups, saving you time while maintaining a professional look. Once you've crafted your email, it's time to set up the campaign flow. With Salesflare's automation, you can decide when each email will be sent and whether to trigger follow-up emails based on user actions, like opening an email or clicking on a link. For example, if someone opens your email but doesn't click on any links, you can automatically send a follow-up email to re-engage them. This is where the real power of Salesflare comes in, letting you set up automated sequences that nurture your leads while you focus on other tasks. You can also track how your emails are performing in real time with Salesflare's analytics dashboard. You'll see open rates, click-through rates, and replies, so you can adjust your strategy as needed. The insights from these reports help you refine future campaigns and make smarter decisions based on data. Finally, if you want to take things to the next level, Salesflare allows you to A/B test your emails. This means you can send two versions of the same email to see which one performs better. You can test subject lines, email content, or even the timing of your emails to optimize your campaign for the best results. If you're new to email marketing, don't worry about getting everything perfect on the first try. Salesflare makes it easy to learn as you go, and with its intuitive tools and powerful automation, you'll be able to run campaigns that convert without breaking a sweat. By now, you should have a clear understanding of how to create email campaigns in Salesflare. The platform streamlines the entire process, from creating an email to tracking its performance. And remember, as a special offer, you can use this software completely free through the first link in the description below. This is an exclusive offer that includes an extended free trial, so you can start creating your email campaigns with no risk involved. Start experimenting with your campaigns, use the data to improve, and you'll be well on your way to mastering email marketing with Salesflare. Don't forget to check out the extended free trial, and happy emailing.